So guys, today I want to show you step by step how you can set up end date for your Google ad. Let me say you create an ad on Google, but you don't know how you can set up your Google end date ad. So you on this video, you will learn how you can set an end date to your Google ad. So first things you need to do to change your end date of your ad you are promoting on Google. So you click on login. So you log in your Google account. So as you can see, this is my Google ad account. Your own might look like this. So what you need to do is to click on campaign. So once you click on campaign here, you just need to wait for it to open properly. So those are all your campaigns you have. You can see that to find the end date here is very difficult, to navigate to the end date of your ad. So how you can set the end date. Let me say you create an ad, but you want to quickly change the end date because you don't have enough income. So to do that, to change the end date, what you can do here, you need to go down and click on settings. Make sure you're on settings. Click on settings and you see campaign settings. Click on campaign settings. So when you click on campaign settings, you will see, like I said, don't forget, click on campaign. You click on campaign, you click on settings, and you click on this section where it says campaign settings. So once you click on it, you will see when you push to the left here, because my computer screen is not too big. When you push to the left side here, you will see this section here. You see say campaign end date. So here you can select. Let me say, for example, I want to set an end date to this campaign. You can do it in two ways. You can just click on it here like this, and you can select the end date you want to set. And that is how, once you are done, you will click on save. So that is how you can do that. And the second way you can do it, so let me say I want to set end date to this campaign here. I will just click on this campaign and click on this edit icon, and I will just scroll down. You see this section where it says change end date. If I click on change end date now, it's going to pop this up, and I will click here. I'll enter the end date I want to set, and that is all. So now once, let me say I want to end this campaign on the 22nd of August, I will just click on 22 and I will click on apply. So it will be applied to my campaign. I want you to pay in mind that when you do this, Google is going to review the changes you do on your campaign. So maybe, for example, your campaign is under review like this. You can see all ads under review. So you can see something like this. When you do any changes on your campaign, you see all ads under review or ad under review. So this is just to tell you that we have seen the changes you made. We just want to review it to make sure it follow our community guide. So that is what I want you to pay attention on. So that is how you can set up your Google ad. That is how you can set the end date of your Google ads. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you enjoy it, you know what to do. So you are done watching this my video. So what are you waiting for? All you just need to do is to click that subscribe button and click the bell, or you can follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. It just depends on where you want to follow me. Go and follow me. Let us connect together and start making money online for free. And you can visit my website, which is www.hugosplower.com. You can check my SEO website, which is www.usafeseotools.com. Check them out. Let me know what you think in the comment section below, and let us keep on making money online for free. See you on the next video.